spawning, spawn order, spawn timer. Team designated. Okay, yes, it has team 2 designated. What about this team? Is this also team 2? This is also team 2. Okay. Is this just a two team game mode? Perhaps. Spawn points. Initial gameplay labels. Dodgeball. Okay. Wow, there's a lot of okay, and then there's a lot of invalid entries, but a lot of fucking mode options here. Holy shit. Boundaries. Spawn point order. Did he just open the spawn points? Guess so. Huh. Interesting. That'd be a way to spawn point initial, spawn point initial. How do you tell team? Oh, it says neutral right there. Done. Okay, so these are neutral spawn points. These are what? Blue? No, these are team 4. Okay, so there are multiple teams. How many teams are there here? Team 4. Team 4. Okay, is this maybe a 4-team mode? I'll assume this is team 1, and this is team 3. Okay. How many teams can you have in Halo Infinite? It's still gotta be 8, right? Let's see. Change this to team. Yeah, okay, you can do it all. It's just okay, so it's the default though is just set to 4 teams. But you could just copy and paste the spawn points at the other teams, I assume. This is a neutral team spawn point. Okay. I guess Twitch died for some reason. It's telling me I'm streaming again. So if you're getting the notification again, welcome back. And we're in Halo Infinite Forge. We're gonna check some shit out. Start making some shit. Let's see what we got. We got accents, antennas, barrels. Okay, so tons of stuff here. What we've got cover. Label stone cover. Where is it? Ah, here it is. Alright. And we got, there's move, rotate, increase, decrease, change move type, magnet, snap to ground. How do you scale? I know there's a scale option. We're in movement right now. It's fine. Scale mode. Here we go. Whoop. Cannot scale objects. Well, then what can I scale? I've been duped. I've been duped! Can you scale this? There we go. Okay. Interesting that you can scale. Wow! That's a thick cover now. Holy shit. Okay. Awesome. I guess there's just some objects that you can't scale. Some of you can. Like this boy. The thickest berry you've ever seen. There we go. Alright, move that around. Like so. This is so fucking cool, dude. Let me just, sit up here real quick. Boop. Oh man, people are gonna go fucking make some insane parkour maps. I can already imagine. Okay. So. What if we make a tunnel? Alright, let's just do something simple. Let's do something that's not going to require any scripting to start with, and just makes use of the normal assets, maybe with some scaling involved. You got all this cover here. You got multiplayer cover. Okay. great. I want to make a hill. Let's make a hill. Garbage, rubble. And rubble piles, sandbags, signs, supports, tools. Okay, you got hammers here. Alright, let's a little more straightforward. Biomes, bushes, flora. Oh, little cute little plants, that's fun. Oh, we can make like a jungle biome if we really wanted to. Let me do that. Make a desert jungle. Yeah, alright, new idea. Let's get some foliage up in here. We want to take red grass, ivy bushes. Ooh, there's a lot here. Got weeds, dragonflower. Actually, I want to do this on the map I was originally trying to load. Let's see if we can grab that real quick. I want to go to the swamp. Take me to the mire. I'm so excited, man. This is gonna get so good. If we, which we do load in. Yay! Oh. Okay, what is this? What the hell? Is this a death box? Is shrinking zone. Oh, this is for their. This is for the survival mode. Okay. All right. Let's get started. Let's make some funky little plants here. Reed shrubs. Oh, don't run. What if we made a game mode that was just don't run in the tall grass? Oh. Hold on. Like that fucking Jurassic Park scene with the velociraptors.
That would be sick.
If I can make like tall grass here, which I think I can. Let's see how tall this is, and you can walk through it. Oh, that's delightfully devilish, Seymour. Let's fucking go. Okay, duplicate with Control D. All right, let's put this on the ground. There we go. And then we can. Oh, and it snaps. Perfect. Perfect. Let's go. Okay. Yes. Okay. I'm gonna run through this. You get a little glimpse of your. Oh my god. All right. All right. We're going somewhere with this idea. I'll run with it. Can we duplicate the group here? Yeah, there we go. Awesome. Yes. All this cornrows or something. Let's see, what's the size of this block? Any way to tell? An object under it. Scratch and grind, gameplay. Static. Size X. Okay, so it's a 300 by 320. 320 by 320. And if I were to run from one side to the other on this map, how long would that take? Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi, 9 Mississippi, 10 Mississippi. Okay. Awesome. 10 seconds to get across the map. That seems like... feels like it's probably a 4v4 size. I think maybe a little bit smaller. But I think if you were to fill it with shit, then that would make it more appropriate to the size. So, let's keep duplicating. Try to get ours to be about that size. There we go. Awesome. Come on. There you go. Okay. Keep going. Double this up. Why not? Can I not select all of them? Is this too many? It is too many. I can only select 150 objects. Okay, so there are limits here. But no matter. Shall make do. Right. There we go. That's the death box. Get rid of that. Yeah, that's 18 out of 150. We can do better than that. 3. This starts getting staggered. 9. 7. I guess this is the best we can do. 127. You get deselected. Okay. Make a field of tall grass. Oh. Come on. Deselect. A little bit more straightforward. Yeah, they try to make this as close to their in-game engine tools as possible, but they could really use some orthographic views. That kind of make this the best forge tool ever. But alas, we cannot have everything we want. We cannot just be directly handed the Halo Infinite dev tools.
Why ever not?
I don't know. I don't know. They just seem to be getting closer to that every single iteration. So I don't really know why we can't be afforded that. Mystery to me. I almost had it. I had it right there. I just wish the snapping a little bit more forgiving when you're duplicating a ton of objects. The hell? Can you duplicate 2 of them? That was weird. Let's try it again. taking it from the top. Duplicate. There we go. Awesome. This is basically the size of that. Check though. Actually, I can't check. I don't want to move. What's going on? Why are you stuck? It feels like it's getting stuck on something, but I don't know what. There we go. What are your physics? Orange dust. Physics. Phase. There you go. That's the problem. You can't phase through nothing. Okay, so I need to make it a little bit thicker. I need this thing the same size as our starting palette. Yeah. I want to move it forward. Why are you taking both? There you go. There we go. Alright. Aligning it here like a boss because I've got OCD. Now let's select some items. There we go. Now we get that MF duplicate. Dupe. Why does it do it? It seems to do it twice. Which is weird. Why it's duplicating it twice. Yeah. Same thing this direction. Camera right. There we go. Place. Awesome. Okay. Oh, you could go below the earth? The game gets mad at you, but that's to be expected.
Out of bounds.
Yeah. Gets a little angry with you when you go under the earth. Pose.
Can't go to the center of the earth?
No. Unfortunately, you cannot go forever. Although it is interesting, I think they've effectively built the backgrounds of these sets with forge items. So like, I think that's why we can see the undersides of rocks here, is because they just built them with like forge items, and they just had the undersides are just hanging out. All right. I create a group. How do I group things together? Quick save. Deselect all. Move and snap. Exit move mode. Decrease snap. Change move type. Magnets. Snap to ground. G? No. Boost. Camera. Quick save. Here. Folders. I select all breed bushes. It's gotta be a select all option, right? No, that's not all of it. Ah! Okay. Close gameplay. Is it breed shrubs? Select all the layout items. What? Am I not supposed to? Oh! Okay, now they're all locked. Okay, so that's locking and unlocking everything in the layout folder. Okay. Okay, that deselects all that. I select it. It still only selects the 150. Not great. For our purposes. Well, it says it has them all selected, so... Oh, it looks like it does, but it just doesn't. Okay, interesting. Jesus, I have 999 shrubs. Wild. Okay, so these are all selected. And then I do what? I place an empty subfolder. Sure. Rename shrubbery. Confirm. But it didn't move them all in there. Where did it move them? What's going on? I don't understand. In the hill capture zone. Yeah, I don't want to hide everything. Hide everything I do not care about. Oh, okay. Okay, so we have layout, and we have shrubbery in there. Not all of it. Alright, how do I deselect everything? Okay. Yeah. Layout. Deselect shrubbery. Move. Oh, do I need to... What is going on here? I'm confused. Oops. Is it moving things? There's a back. It's very strange. Can't shift select. Cringe. Other shrubs. And then deselect them. Great. I just can't tell if this is working. It doesn't seem like it's working. I want to move all the shrubs into the shrubbery folder. do I move? What does it mean to move it in there? Okay, so I've hidden most of this stuff now. So that's cool. Add the... What? So I can still select them, but they're just hidden... I'm so confused. It does... Okay, so it lets you select all of them even if you can't see them when you're doing multi-select. That might be a bug. I don't know if that's supposed to be true or not. But there's only a few shrubs left not in the shrubbery folder. So I'm going to move them there. I'm going to do that by saying go into shrubbery. I don't know if they're in there or not. This one shrub. And now it's not... Why is this happening? I just want to move all of these shrubs now. Can I not just do that? There's got to be a way to make a group of objects, right? I just take these two and say, I want to group you guys together so you act as one object. How do I do that? Position, gameplay, no, folders. Can I not select the shrubbery folder and then... What does move mean? I guess that's what I'm confused by. Map options, tool, settings, transform. Okay, this just changes how we interact with the game. I guess I just can't move that many pieces at once, which is very sad. Is there a way to make the fauna I want to that doesn't require so much shrubbery? Let's see what else we got here. Ryegrass, horsetail, Inaka. Ooh, Inaka shrub. 10 by 10. Okay, that's better. Right, because we got... What did we have before? We had braid shrub 5 by 5. We didn't have a 10 by 10. Let's see if we can get that 10 by 10 into something workable. Got our number of items significantly. Snap the end, snap the ground. Send? Yep. Okay. Control scale. Leave that grass very tall. Very wide. Oh! I don't know how well this scales exactly, but... Wow, actually, this scales really well. The detail is still pretty alright, even when it's scaled to shit. It's looking a little flat, though. Let's see if we can fix that. Okay. It's a little bit thin when it's like that. But that's a good start. That's probably the way I want to go. How do I delete everything? How do I get rid of all of it? Let's see. I think I know the answer. The answer is, you go to the Tools menu, you go to your folders, you click the Layout folder, and then you say, Delete. Right? Wait, I just got rid of the folder. But now all the objects here are still hidden? What the hell is going on? Okay. Alright. Well, we're learning here. I might have royally screwed the pooch on this one. Might have to hit the reset button, but... No gameplay. I don't care about gameplay. Shrubbery. The hell? Thought I deleted everything and... Okay. If I delete this, does that delete them? Or that's just deleting the folder, huh? Really? Can I... Oh! Alright, that's definitely not supposed to happen. Oh boy, alright. I'll report that one when I'm done with this session, but that just completely destroyed the game when I tried to delete it from the folder structure. Interesting. I wonder if that was because I had turned it invisible already, or if that'll. I wonder if I'm gonna now as a coder, I want to see if it's reproducible. I want to see if I can consistently break this shit.
Go and get hired by, who was it, Microsoft?
343, yeah.
Yup.
I mean, yeah, that would be fucking dope as shit. Alright. Make the Myers again. Excuse me. Connect to them servers. Starting the match. Okay, load it in. Alright. Now, out of curiosity, I'm going to add biomes. Flora. Item. Go to its folder. Cliff, paintbrush, flowers, 5x5. Delete. Okay, that managed it just fine. Now what if... Add back. Say, okay. Now... Content browser. Say, hey! Delete. Oh no, I did that. Shit. Place it. Content browser. Hide it. Then delete it. Huh. I don't know why I made it crash that time. Okay. Anyways, alright. Now let's do what we actually want to do. Which is... add our 30x30. Grass dry. Grass red. Let's say a large ivy patch by 5. Maroon flowers 30x30. Natural grass 30x30. Natural tall. Grass tall. Orange flowers. A lot of options here. Wait, there's also bushes. You can make big bushes. You can make big bushes. Fucking absolute massive bush here. There we go. There we go. Just scaling it to the extreme here. Go. What are physics properties? They better be set to phase. They are. Why are you having trouble moving? Oops. That? You colliding with some terrain here, buddy? Terrain doesn't like you colliding with it. That's what's happening. Alright, fine. Let's see what we got here. No terrain will collide with you. And that already just kicked down to the bottom. Alright, I guess that's as close to the bottom as this thing will get for whatever reason. It's definitely not low enough. I'll take that shit down manually. There we go. Ah, and these just become like trees. Just a little bit thin, but you get the idea. Okay. I'm gonna take... delete this. Delete this. This. What do we have here? This is the Stronghold Capture Zone. Stronghold Power Seed. Seed Power Seeds. Okay, these are all... whatever. I'm gonna move them away from the center area. That's where I want to play. Right now. What's this? Your camera? Game intro camera. Okay. You guys, I'm gonna go this way. Chill. Right over here. You guys, back. Way back. Way back. There you go. This all the way back here. Clear in the general area. Real quick. Ta-da! Select those. This is just a generic game start camera. I'll keep that there for now. That can stay. There we go. Right, you guys stay back there. Being able to drop shit to the ground is really nice. Like that. Good feature. Here. Got a yote. All this other shit, I will say, brought straight up. Way up here. I don't necessarily forget about it, but it's out of the way. Maybe we'll re-implement them. Maybe some of them, maybe not all of them. Who knows? Only time will tell. Really. Anyways, alright, that's plenty high. Now we got plenty of open space right here. Fucking around with shit. Awesome. Awesome, so awesome, so awesome. Okay. Objects. Flora. Take one of these 30 by 30s. Weed patch? Yeah. Floor. Put that. What is... Position 0 0 0. That's that's all the way underneath. Okay, maybe we don't do that there then. Where's 0? Is that 500? We're 500 units up on the bottom. God damn. Okay. Alright. Well, that's the grass. But now we want to make it big grass. So we hit that MS scale button. go. Awesome. I'm walking through this. It's a little bit too clear right now, but I think we could just make a mixture of grasses, I suppose. Make it position random transform. This 100 by 100. There we go. And we'll make this 69 because funny sex number. There we go. Now what are we looking like? Okay. Still a little bit open, but a good start. Get some more floor in here. Let's do some more 30 by 30s. I think that's a good amount to start with. Pale plants. The same thing here. 100. 100. 69. Go. Mix that in like so. Now things are getting a little obstructed. That's what I like to see. Awesome. What else we got? 30 by 30. 20 flowers. Ooh. 100. 100. Try 50. Whoa. Okay. Big boys. Sound. Oh, that's okay. That's where the scripting would come in. Is that you have to make more leaf brushing noises when you're running through here. Ooh, okay, okay.
That's eerie.
Yeah. Oh, you want to see eerie? Hold on. Let me see if I can do that thing they showed in the demo with dropping the lights. Below the horizon, light balance 0, skylight 0, sky rendering, sky intensity. Turn this down. 0, sun intensity 0, intensity 0, 0.
Ooh. Atmospheric.
Yes! Reduce ambient, default, object limits. Okay. Value type. Unlocked. Oh, that's okay. Here's delete on unlock. That's where I gotta go if I want to get rid of everything. Off. Ooh, ambient sound. Here we go. The control room, Banis, Cathedral, Distant City, Generator Room, Grasslands, Active Wind. Sure, let's turn on this stuff. Oh, there's rain? Oh, fuck yes.
Ooh. Thunderstorm.
Exterior open. Let's try that thunderstorm. Audio effect. Helium? Oh boy. Budget object limits. Yada. Level bound. All that shit's turned off. Turn the sound up. Hearing it. Still very quiet, but it's more there than before. Oh, okay. The reflections need to rebuild because it's still showing the sun up in the sky and the water. I was wondering why the light was still here, but I think that's why. Let's see. How to rebuild. Transform, camera, light data. Get probes. Oh, is that what shows the little balls? Overlap heat map. Nav mesh. Nav mesh. No. Magnets, no. Controls, no. HUD. Budget meter. What is it? Budget properties. Actions menu. Object route. No, these are not menu. Build menu. Here we go. Okay. Audio. Build reflection volumes. There we go. Check this shit out.
Wait, hold on, I gotta reload the stream. Oh my god!
No light.
To
No fucking light.
make a level like that.
I know. That was like the first thing I thought when I saw them like testing this shit out. I was like, there's gonna be so many spooky maps based around just not being able to see anything without a flashlight. It's gonna be so fucking cool. Let me check real quick. Keyboard and mouse. Don't think there's any flashlight need, but I bet with their blueprint like S coding system, you could probably attach a light to players. It's almost certainly a way to do that. Let me see if I can actually try and pull that up. Node graph. Okay. Open menu, add node. Okay, so let's see how we get this started. Logic, node properties, folders. Okay. Okay, these are all the cameras and the navs and all that shit. Okay. Oh, yeah, orange flower. Okay, yeah. Oh, and then... No? Okay. That's about... Audio bots, events, custom... Events. On game start. Okay, so there's our first node. Now drag that over here. We add another node. Okay. Events players. Math objects players. Get all players. On game start, we get all players. Add a node. We say UI objects. Add object. Name an object. Get all spawn points. Get all spawn points. Gets dead. Get list size. Get object. Object and list. Remove spawn object. Here we go. On game start, spawn object. Object empty. Let's add an object. How do we tell it which object to use? Get object. An object reference. Get list side, get object shield team, index, in prefab, get shared objects, get unique objects, objects list. How do I tell it to get a specific object though? Vehicles, variables, enhanced. on the object if the player spawned or despawned. Okay, what did I miss in their scripting video? Forge. Scripting and bots.
Some cool. Oh, see my lighting flip over. Haven't built it yet. Scripted or player. You might test the click on Node. And this is the want to show you everything in Node. The actions and sparks. In case you just know that. Look, they can read it too. So, who I don't know, maybe speaks German, plays your game that you wrote in English. They can read it too. So I'm gonna go grab these strings I already grabbed.
Okay, those are. But where did you get the strings from, sir? How do you implement a string? They show it in this tutorial, but they don't show where they get it from. Bot difficulty. Inventory add. Weapon.
We'll go back. We get started. Visual scripting systems. I always like getting rocket launchers. So let's go into our inventory, which is where our give player new weapon node. And you can see we had a ton in there, the systems as we can. So I'm going through the grid in the game here. I read details here. So let's go get the weapon type. I've got the list of all the weapons in the game here. I can fill in some details here. So let's go get the weapon type. I've got the list
okay, so I have to go to the node properties on this node once I have it selected. Object, and then how do I give player new weapon? Why can I not give the object a thing? Well, exactly the item that they have here. Inventory equipment. Give player new weapon. Sure. Equipment. Equipment type. Okay, this has a list of things. Awesome. Great. How do I do that for this? Neural pin connections. Gate. Graph. New list of objects instead list. Just need to grab a reference to an object. We need to make the object. Seem right. Close a graph, duplicate, delete the node graph menu. No, that's not what I mean. Node browser. UI, players, vehicles. No, it's a vehicle check. Oh, there's a for each player. Awesome. Clear. For each player. Execute per player. Spawn. Object. Still don't know how to get the object though. Inventory. Get set player lowered. Oh, you can set player. You can set fucking lower player weapons. Oh, okay, cool.
of all the weapons in the game.
It's
Hey, you're 4. So you could pick on.
official.
Really cool. So we thought we'd bring it back in a fun way. So I'll go down into the variables, grab this weapon type combination node, and then I can mix and match weapons. So
Facebook. Explain the base.
The proper rocket launcher. We're going to come because it's a little more complicated version
And see and the people to
because we were make the player the Juggernaut, and we'll walk through weapons, when statement, and then this. So when you see that show up, I just want to tell you why you're going to see that. But I can make that any one of our localized strings, so that could be Juggernaut. Which we're clearly legal. We're good. We're good.
They're able to change the name of these. Declare number variable. Okay. Is that maybe where I need to go? The variable section. What is this? No graph. Variables basic. Object reference. Okay. Object empty. And then I select. Okay. This is an object reference, so it needs to be something that's already in the game. That makes sense. Call it. Let me change the name. Guess we can't. I can say this is the stronghold capture zone. Yeah, okay. Then changes the name of the reference, but that's not what I want. Get rid of that. Object, Boolean equipment type, grenade type, identifier number, object list, string, team, vector 3 vehicle type. Okay. I guess maybe it needs to be something. Declare. There we go. Declare vehicle, declare vector 3. Declare object variable. That's what we need. Initial object. Okay. Initial object. Why can't I... Can I not make an object?
Gotta dip. Enjoy your blueprints.
Thank you. Yeah, this is... I'm back in the fucking coding rabbit hole now. Because I want to see if I can give myself a light. But thanks for stopping by. This is so crazy. This is even possible. It won't just let me create a... It won't let me create an object on the fly. What I'm kind of picking up here.
And we get for killing the Juggernaut. It's really, really powerful. And
Trait list. Just going through this video real fast. Weapon type. Okay, yeah. Trait weapon, trait list. Movement speed, okay. Clear number variable, declare string variable. Initial value. Yes. Okay. Declare the scope, that's great. Weapon type. Also event, set up Juggernaut. Get object variable. Go back. Get object variable. Identifier Juggernaut. Scope global. Set up object. Okay. Give player new weapon. I don't really get why. Okay. Well, I guess I could spawn a light in, and then just take that and run with it. I don't see how else I'd be able to do this. Combine object list, damage object, delete object. Valid. Get object. Get last and object. Get object health. Get object team. Get object input. Get objects. There's objects in prefab. Get random end objects. Get shared objects. Get unique objects. Object is in list. Remove object from list. Set spawn point. Enable spawn object. It'll be unable to spawn it to save the spawn points after they decide. Okay, yeah. Last and objects. Delete object. No, none of these object things are what I want. Logic. Wait for end seconds. No. Inventory equipment. Presents. Thoughts. Recent. Okay. Yes, let me make a light. That. Lights. Okay, you're gonna see light. Where is this light? Blood short, fluorescent, flush, multi-bulb, overhead, round, large. Sure. Whoa! There's a light. Okay. See, this is actually. Oh, script brain. The hell? How do I... Log. Snap 1. Yeah, but how do I go into the script brain? How do they do it? I've got script brain, and he just opens it? The fuck? How do I do that? I'm super confused. I would like to open it as well. Node graph. Yeah, but that's... This was the thing I made. Okay. I can get that. Oh! That's the thing I made... I'm an idiot. I thought that was created with the fucking... Oh, God. No. I fucking made a light that then showed the script thing. God, I am so stupid. Okay, can I make, like, generic light objects? There we go. Awesome. Cool. Alright, now. Go into the script brain. Say, hey. Alright. Logic. Game mode. No, is it in logic? Where is it? No, math, objects, transform, UI, UI vehicles, events. Events, on game start. Go to, players. Let me say, logic. for each object. Layers. Execute per object. Say spawn object. Okay, objects. Spawn object. They somehow changed this without having to make a node, but I don't know how that works. With PC controls, anyways. Maybe control works easier with something else. Say variables basic. Object in the reference is the light. Okay. Spawn object. Object generation. Say. Object transform. Where's the attach? There's gotta be an attach, right? Combine objects, damage objects, delete objects. Set spawn point, spawn object. Inventory events. Layers. Interesting. Custom, every equipment used on custom event global. Custom interactive, trigger custom event. Events inventory. On equipment used. No, events players. Player spawn on player team change. Okay. No on player move? Interesting. I wonder if they have a tick variable. You need to find a thing that lets you vehicle on gameplay starts. No. Every n seconds, I guess. And negatively affect. Oh, you can set it to 0? Oh? And then we set position of the object. Right? If it has been despawned or destroyed. Can you not create objects in-game? That's probably what I'm getting fucked up by. I want to make a bunch of objects at runtime, but I don't know if this will let me do that. They might not let you do that because that would be a little bit wonky. Maybe. It doesn't let you set the position of the object either. Object transforms. Here we go. Set object position. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. This is an object reference, which means we're taking the one thing and moving it around. But let's just see. Set object position. The object the light. Position is current objects. Get objects. Position. Here we go. get the current objects light. Position. Say get the position. Say. Oh, okay. So our script right now on game start. Get all players. For each player, we will spawn a light reference. I'll spawn the only, but just take it and then move it to the player's position. Then, every n seconds, can we? I don't think we need to set this manually, right? Oh, it won't even let me do that. Okay, doesn't let you do any less than 0.10, but whatever. Then every 10 seconds, we go through each player. Can we not do this? Can we not attach multiple things to the same thread here? And why would you not want to take it? Just do the same thing. Or we can, I guess we can just do this. Yeah, we would want to copy all of it. Okay. There we go. We don't need to spawn it. It's already been spawned in. Does that work? Does that work? Let's find out. Set object position node, pin missing, require connection. Set object position, pin node, okay. Well, see what that's about. Set object position node. Is relative. Oh, yeah. Execute per object, yes. Okay. That should work. I think that has everything it needs. Oh! Yo, we out here scripting! Let's go! Where are my bushes? Where are my bushes at? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, this is so cool! Yo! Okay. Alright, this is pretty crazy. The light is definitely a little delayed. It's got a little hanging there, but that's only because it's it's on a 0.10 second delay. But it's still moving with me! Like, well enough for me to be able to see and shit. It's otherwise completely dark environment. Let's go, dude. Holy shit. That's awesome. Okay. Okay. Let's turn the lights back on here real quick. Free Vert Girls chat. Oh, yeah? Yeah? For real? On God? That's awesome. Alright, let me take this light. Okay, alright. This is gonna report. Oh, boy. There we go. The hell? I'm blocking you. There we go. Get blocked. Black, 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 black. Okay. So what we're gonna do here, real quick, is make a light that, absolutely kills it. Object properties. Here we go. Light. Gameplay. There we go. Light properties. Point is spotlight. Make it 1000. Oh, no. Oh, wait. No, that is what I want, though. Okay. Oh, this is so cool, man. Holy shit. Okay. So... oh, what's like the max number we can... okay, that. We're doing that. It won't go higher than 1,000. How about 9,000? No. Alright. 1,000 is the best we can get. There we go. Alright, the max value for that is 1,500. Okay. Interesting. So, just out of curiosity, if I were to take this now... okay. So I need to point it at the ground. So what I'd want to do here is I want to go into my script brain, say, alright, go to the object position, set object position of light, and then we set object rotation. Boop. Object. And we're going to get... do we need... our same player? There's got to be a way to get the player's rotation. Maybe... I mean, I guess I could try and get the... yeah, alright. Get that, get the rotation, and then let's see if we can rotate it by... scale vector, trigonometry, vector, cross dot, invert degrees, divide, get pi, get random rotation. I wonder how you get a component of rotation. We need the X, Y, and Z, and then I need to figure out which dimension I need to rotate it and by how much. Yeah, so what does the rotation go into? How do we do rotation? Get object, rotate object, point. Movement curve. Movement curve. That's interesting. Maybe... I'm just gonna try something. Same thing here. Set object rotation. Is the light. Rotation is the player's rotation. Nope, not that. Get object rotation. Maybe that'll do it? Trying to see if this will turn around if I light up the sky, but it doesn't seem to be. Probably getting my X and Y rotation, but it's not getting my camera rotation. Well, okay. So maybe I can't figure out the rotation right now, but the position at least works, and I can just change the light to be a point light, and then that'll make everything easier. So like, if I do this, say, become a point light. Say 1,000. There we go. It just lights up this whole area a little bit. That's cool. 100? Interesting. Now it's really bright in this one area. And if I play... Now it is very bright. The fuck? I didn't put that there! Unless a warthog... Is a warthog part of the materials at the top of the map? I did not... I did not realize that was a thing, if that is what is occurring here. Interesting. Actually up here? Is there a warthog up here that I didn't know about? There might be. That's a warthog spawner, isn't it? Vehicle pad. Yep, alright, that would do it. That's fucking... That was terrifying, though. I had no idea that was there. Holy shit. Okay. Oh. I wonder if there's a way, because obviously, if my theory about the lighting or the objects is correct and everything needs to be in the level before it starts, then I imagine I need to hide the lights. I guess I could just put them underground, right? I can take this and move it underground, and I can just move it low enough that it won't be seen if it doesn't get used. That's probably the way to go. Okay. Wow. Spent so much time with the scripting. But it's a really powerful tool. And, I mean, maybe that's something that was already available in Halo 5, like what I just did was already a thing, but at least from how they advertised it, it sounds like there's more options with the coding this time around than there was previous iterations. So, interested to see what people can do with that. Why my assistant hurt itself in there. There we go. Whoa! Bigo Grasso. This isn't the ground. Why do you think that's the ground? There's the ground. I'm trying to think. Like, you could just have... You know what? I want to have something that I can play test with buffs, like, tonight. So, I'm just going to take my simplest idea, which is just running around in these trees, and having people try to kill each other in here, and see how that goes. I just want to make the grass a little bit thicker, give it some more options. Some more options out of it. Let's see. Inca shrub. Marine flowers. Let's go. Give it up for the maroon flowers! There we go. Perfect. Perfect. That's not perfect, actually. I need to put this on the ground again. That's on the ground! Why no ground? Alright. There. Awesome. Okay. That's probably enough for me to go off of. Play. Duplicate. Get on the ground. Why you don't get on the ground? What is with this thing not being properly rounded? That the ground seems to be very finicky. Below it, but go. You'll find something waiting right there. One more. Good. Awesome. If I were to run in here, and oh boy, okay. I think this has some potential to be really fun. Yeah. Bring the spawn points back in here. Yep. Why is this a problem? Physics is phase. What's the deal here? What in here is not phased? Clearly something's not phased. That camera? Phased. Phased. There's a select all of? Oh, I'm stupid. What's going on here? You can go in here. No problem. Okay, I say no problem, but apparently there is a problem. I can't go any deeper in. It's all phased. All this stuff is phased, right? No. What did I just do? What did I just do? Ugh. I have no idea what I just fucking did. What is that? Why is the scale like that now? These are the flowers, right? Yeah. Okay. Gonna do this the hard way. What the fuck is that noise? Here, get in here. There you go. Ta-da! Flowers fixed. Alright. Transform position rotation gameplay. I seriously don't understand why I can't. I wanted to... Can I move this? No, they're colliding. So is there no way... Interesting. Alright, well... That's annoying. But I will deal with that later. How am I supposed to get... if I want people to spawn in the forest, though, how do I get them to do that? This could be a real bother. I don't want them to do that. Alright. Whatever. I'm going to... It's fine. What's something else I can change? I can duplicate this. There's many copies, but first I want to make the lad not as bright. This 10, this 10, this 10, not that low, 50. That's probably bright enough. So now, just duplicate, 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 duplicate. I don't make enough for full BTB, you know? Oops. 25. 24. There we go. Okay. Oh, right. No, it would just be. Okay. Now there's 24 of them. So, what we do? We select all these lights, right? And we say folders. You got 24 lights. Or no, you have 25. Why is there 24? Or delete. Okay. Really no way. Really? Why does it say there's only 23? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What are the numbers missing? 22's missing. What the hell? What happened to light number 22? Deselect everything. 1. Duplicate it. Well, I guess that's just 24 now. Whatever. Okay. So in the folders, we say place an empty subfolder. The lights are inside that folder. Call this lights. Ta-da! That has all the lights. Perfect. Awesome. Okay. Now, let's go back to the brain. And we say, for each player, grab objects. Object and index. Nice. How do I grab that? Variables. Get object list variable. Set object list variable. Yes. Nice. Scope. Global. No, set object. No, I want to get. I want to get it. Get object list variable. There we go. Set that in there. Go to browser. Calculated. What does that mean, calculated? Where do you get the object from? Like the what? That's an how did I get this here? How did I get the object reference of light in here? Object. Okay. So this lets me select from the list. Does this let me select from the list what I'm... Let's say object. No, it doesn't. It just doesn't. Why doesn't it let me do that? How do I get the object list variable? Variables. Oh, vector 3. Okay, that's how you do rotation. Alright. Advanced. These are all sets. Declare. Get the object list variable stored with the matching identifier in the matching scope. The object pin is only used when accessing the object scope. Oh, okay. Matching identifier. So if I have it... Interesting. I just call it lights. And I have a folder called lights. I hope that works, I guess. Get the object list variable stored with the matching identifier in the matching scope. Okay, what scope is this? I'll just say global. The object pin is only used when accessing the object scope. Okay. Try that. Object index. Take the object. Rid of this object reference. Okay. Spawn it. Say. Set the object position. And we set the object rotation. Okay, so now that takes all the lights and should apply them to every character. See if this works. If it does, I think what will happen is this out of here. Same deal here. Right. Iteration. Object. Right? Yeah. Okay. So, with that in play, get object variable. Node references an undeclared identifier. Okay. So that's not it. Get object. Get object list variant node references an undeclared identifier. Well, it shouldn't be. Have a folder called lights. Unless this is something else about it. Let's see. Object list variable. How do you make... Oh, okay. Let's see. Get on here. On game starts. Oh. Broke this connection. Can we get all objects of type? Like that would simplify things greatly. But I don't think that's gonna be easy to do. I don't think that's gonna be it. I don't think that's it, Chief. Go in here. We're gonna have to give it the identifier of lights. There we go. Inputs identifier global. And how do you give it objects? Or do we have to... Oh, I think I know what I need to do. Okay. This is going to be a little silly, but I think I understand what this is probably asking me right now. Select that. Objects. Light. How the fuck do you fill it with objects? Variable declarations do not require an event node to trigger. They're automatically formed when the node graph script is run. Okay. Objects listed meaning adding an object second time will have an effect. Okay. Can we... Is there any way to increase the size here? There's no way to increase the size. You are stuck with 4 in... Oh boy, this is gonna be brutal to graph out then. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. You have to do this all manually? Is there no better way to do this? Really? I need to give a light to every single player. So I need to make... Oh boy. Okay, hold on. Let's see if I can just do this. Object reference. What I was looking for here. Just put it between these two. There you go. Okay. Light 2, this is light 3. There we go. Light 1, light 2, light 3. Now, it's up to the top. I need to make it bigger. Oh my god. The placement of these variables is a little silly. Here we go. We're gonna need to make a connection for every single one of these. So gross. There we go. There. 6, 12. Right? Each of these is 4. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Actually, we don't need these. Okay. So now, go through every single one of these. Okay, object, light 4. Light 5. Light 6. Light 7. We call this 2 lights. 1. There's going to be 6 different lists that have to be iterated through for every character. Potentially. Lights 0. Lights 2. Four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 2, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20, In 20, 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. All this light's 5. There we go. Now have all of our friggin' lights accounted for. Right here. This is gonna make this so much more complicated, because then you're gonna need... There has to be a way to make a bigger object list. You can't just make an object list that only has 4 variables. Object list. There's no fucking way! Oh my god. Alright, whatever. I don't have time to fucking deal with this. We're gonna need to break this into an if loop now. What we're gonna have to do. Alright. Say. Logic. Compare. Operating A. What the fuck happened to it? Where'd it go? Why are you over here? Over here. Operating A. To. I don't... Now, here's a question. Are Halo arrays 0 indexed? That's the real question. Okay. Variables, number. Greater than 4. Oh, the current iteration is less than 4. So compare it to 4, and then if it's less than, get... Where does this go? How do I connect this? If A is less than B, then do what? They're multi-branch. For each. This objects list? Bits. Okay, yeah. Okay. But get objects at index doesn't have a starting point. Just spawns. Maybe the spawn object needs to be there. Okay. It's the same thing, just specifically for players, so it's safer. Branch, if true. Okay, let's try something crazy. Iteration. It's less than 4. And how do you execute the compare on each object? That's what I don't get. True? I need to get. Oh, God. Oh, no, because then you're going to need to divide the list of players for each iteration of 4. Oh, this is so bad. Why can't I just make a big list? Why is there no get all objects of type? There's no get all spawn points. An object list. But then object list being limited to 4 objects is insanely small. Why would they do that when you can have up to 24 players in a game? Like, if I want to attach something to 24 players, I have no way to do that except through an extremely convoluted process that I'm working out in my brain, but no. Get object list size. See, this implies... I mean, this could only return a number between 0 and 4, I guess? Ugh. Area monitor. Get objects. Create a list with all objects that are included in only one of the object lists. No. These are all based on object lists, but the object lists are so fucking bad. And then I could add, could I add... Add it to... Let's see. Variables, get object list. Why does it keep doing this? What the fuck is this doing? Oh man, y'all got some real glitches in your UI here, folks. Please to fix. Okay. I had it selected. Why was it there? Identifier lights. Try that out. Get object preference. Let's see, lights. 7, sure. Can we chain these? I wonder. Why are you over here? If we can... Now add... That would be nice. Adding multiple objects to a list. Oh shit. Okay. 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 That makes things a little bit more viable. Let's go. This add object just adds 1. Delete objects, get all spawn, set. Yeah, okay. This doesn't really work. But we do. Get rid of these. Okay. Player objects lists. We combine Here's what we're gonna do. Add node. Okay. Get object list variable. Keep spawning down here, man. Oh, okay. We have lights 0. Lights 1. Okay. Say completed list. Does control duplicate not do this? Okay, sweet. Line list. Awesome. That's a little bit faster. 2. Duplicate. And then we just combine all the lists. Okay, that makes things easier. There we go. Awesome. Three. What the fuck? It's 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nope, not lights 45. There we go. Why is there a space? Why was there a space? Go back through all of these. Fix them all. Oh! Combination of me being a dumbass and then also my keyboard just not letting me hit the goddamn... Ah! Nope. Oh, thank God. Lights 2, lights 1. Yep. Okay. Yes. Lights 0. Yes. Okay. Just to reconfirm, how do you find... Oh, I wanted to read that. Create a list with all other objects. Clear object list variable. Okay, I guess that's what I have to do at the end, is make one final clear object list. Identifier. Real simple. We'll call it lights with no numbers. It's all of them. Alright. There we go. Now this is much easier. This fucking comparison bullshit. I don't need to try that. Just need to get index for iteration. Say okay, so there are 24 lights. each iteration, we will grab index. On game start, get all players. For each player grabbed, you are going to spawn an object. The object is going to be a light from the lights list at the index specified by the 4 usually on players. And then you spawn it, and then you set the spawn position of the object equal to the object's the player's position, the player's rotation. Great. Awesome. Do the same thing up here. And we already have the things listed as that, so that's all good. Now let's try that out. Oh, not that. Okay. Declare object list variable. Variable nodes cannot be used to initialize. Declare object list variable node missing required property. No. Crap, failed to build. Declare object list variable. Variable nodes cannot be used to initialize variable or event nodes. What does that mean? Oh, is this thing? Global? Global. These are all global. That's fine. And these are all as such. Yes, initial object scope is global. Okay. Variable nodes cannot be used to initialize variable or event nodes. That's what it's complaining about? I bet that's what it's complaining about. Let's do this one at a time. Okay. We got rid of the one error. Now let's see if we can get rid of the second error. What is causing the second error? This is a variable. This is a variable node, right? What if we... There's also a set, right? Set object list variable. Yeah. Okay. I think maybe that's it. Leave the connection. Let's just try this out. Let's just see if it stops complaining if I do that. See, this is how we do our troubleshooting here, folks. Okay. Made new errors, but maybe the new errors is a good sign. Try this. Lights. Global. this connection, actually. First, we set that up. And we go through there. How about that? On game start, we say there's a list called lights. It has no initial objects. Then we go through this whole fucking ordeal. I'm a fucking genius! Let's go! Let's go! Okay. I think I have an idea. How do you change the name? Can I change the name of the map from here? I can't believe my fucking coding skills are coming in so clutch here! Troubleshooting and everything. Oh, I'm a god. I'm a god tier gamer. The forging is going good. I haven't actually forged that much. I've basically just been fucking around with the scripting most of the time. But, that has resulted in me definitely being able to create a bunch of fucking script kiddie code that allows a game type that I have in mind to come to fruition, which is gonna be so fucking cool. And it's gonna involve all of these little plants here. I think I'm gonna make a tall grass game mode where people are gonna have these lights. They're gonna be a lot dimmer, but you can use them, and you can find each other and try and shoot each other in the tall grass. I think that's gonna be it. Or, ooh, there could be a thing where, like, you could, like, throw lights. Well, throwing lights, that's probably not gonna be an option, but if I could, like, attach lights to, like, grenades, and you'd have somebody, like, from high above, like, looking down on the plants, they could try to throw grenades at people that are running around in there. The possibilities are endless, dude. This is crazy. Okay. I guess I can't change the name. Oh, whatever. I did save the map, so... yeah. That should be good. I believe. Now... my files. There we go. Can I rename it? Details. Edit name. There we go. Tall grass prototype. Tall grass prototype. Okay. Awesome. Now, go to custom game. Go to map, my files. Say tall grass prototype, and lobby options, code editor. How do I turn on? How do I turn on the bots? I wanna test this out. That's all I wanna do. Not multiplayer. Not right now. Observers on 20. Whoa! You can go up. Oh, okay, well, I'll need to make a bigger list then. Code editor. Match. Extensions. Spawning. Bots. Here we go. Put them at marine difficulty here. Yeah. Free-for-all Slayer. Sure. See if it works. Moment of truth! if it works correctly, every bot should have a light attached to it. That's what the programming should have done. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. Do I understand Forge's code correctly?
Slayer.
Okay. That's me! That's me and my light! Where are the other fools? Where are the bots? There are no bots. Why are the bots not here? Also, for some reason, the reflection's fucked. It's definitely not as dark as it should be. Way darker in 4s than it is in here. There are no bots here, though. Is it because I changed the mode? Tensions, spawning, no, sandbox, no, no. HUD, no, health and damage, I think it's just gotta be the bots. Sure, okay. Now try it? Overrides. Okay, now it has the bots there. Maybe I didn't have that on before. I just want to see. I want to see if these bots have the fucking shit turned on.
Slayer.
Okay. Once again, that's me. Okay, it looks like the lighting has fixed itself. It's now incredibly dark out. Yes! 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 I am a god! Oh my word!
Double kill.
Okay. So very little actual level editing was done in this session. But, hey! Fuck off! Also, where's my, oh. Okay. Well, there's a new problem. Lights don't, lights don't follow you. What's they do? Why did he have a light? Oh. And then the light disappears. I love seeing the tracers. The tracers in the night are so cool. You see what I'm talking about, though, right? Like, the potential of, like, a just completely pitch black map with, like, only a little bit of light and then some tracers to fucking guide you. This shit would be so cool, dude. Okay. That is something I have to handle. When a player dies, you need to move the lights to their new spawn location. You need to hide them, maybe? Basically... Oh! Okay. There's a light that got attached to me. I'm not sure why the lights are appearing and disappearing. But... what the fuck is a classic kill? Alright! Yeah! I'm not exactly sure what's going on with the lights here, but this is a pretty good start to my time in Forge, I think. So yeah, I'm gonna end it here. I have some scripts now that I've made, and I have a general idea of the options that Forge has, which is super cool, and I'd love to keep diving into it, and I think I will. Like I said, I'm probably gonna start doing regular Forge Fridays again. Did that a long time ago in the early pandemic days, but yeah, I want to expound on this idea for sure. This is gonna be fucking amazing. So stay tuned. I'll be streaming it as always on Twitch and YouTube now. And I can't wait to show off what I'll be cooking up. And the ability to test with bots instead of having to drag real people in to test it. Oh, so useful, man. So useful. God damn. Anyways. Alright. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay safe out there.